For the weather forecast, how's it looking, Sabrina?
Hi Nick. Well, it looks a little bit mixed over the coming days. There is more wet weather in the forecast, but the Met Office did have a rain warning out for mainly parts of the southeast tomorrow. That has since been removed because it does look like the heavier spells of rain will be across the border. So no weather warnings out at present. It is a little bit cooler than it was earlier this week. We actually started the day with a touch of frost in places, down to about -3°C last night. So in terms of the forecast then, through this evening, many of us will end up seeing some rain. That will continue its journey eastwards across the country. Overnight then drier with clearer conditions, a few isolated sharp showers. Overnight lows then around 3 to 6°C in towns and cities, so not as cold as it was last night. Lower though in the countryside, so there will still be the chance for a touch of frost. Windy for a time too, but as the night wears on, those winds will tend to ease. As for our Thursday forecast then, so here's the uncertainty in terms of the position of the rainfall. Looks like most of it will be over southern and central parts of England, but I think at times some of that will work its way into Wales. But as I mentioned, still some uncertainty at this stage. So tomorrow then, in more detail, starting off on a bright or sunny note for many. There's going to be a few scattered showers around too. As the day progresses, more in the way of spells of rain, especially for parts of the southeast and along the border. But I think the further west you go, it's more in the way of showers here. The chance for some of those to be on the heavy side. Temperatures a touch higher than today's values, 6 to 9°C. The wind's not much of a feature, so any wet weather we will see will be quite slow moving as a result. Thursday night then, those showers look to be quite lively actually, so where they do move in, there's the chance we could have some hail and rumbles of thunder out of some of these. And you can see temperatures still pretty low in some places. I suspect we'll get towards freezing if there are some clear skies for long enough. Into Friday's forecast then, a continuation of the unsettled theme, so more in the way of showers. I'd say most of these focus across the western half of the country, where once again there will be the chance for some thunderstorms and some hail. As for this weekend, I think it will be often cloudy, largely dry. Under the thickest cloud, the chance for spots of light rain or drizzle. That's your latest, Nick.
OK, Sabrina.